Hi guys, T9 Tech here. Today I'm going to show you a quick little tutorial on how to speed up your computer by defragging your main hard drive. If I open up my computer right now, I have a 500 gigabyte hard drive. Well, I shrank 50 gigabytes of it, so right now it appears is about right around 400. And a lot of my games have been eating it up, and a lot of times multiple files and folders, when they tend to clunk up, they become something called fragmentations. Now, the easiest way to make all these files more accessible and faster is to defragment them. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Google and then just type in Iobit, and then click the first link, which should be their homepage. Go to Home Products, scroll down until you see Smart Defrag. Go ahead and click that. And then if you want, you can read, what it does. It's a defragging optim tool, so nothing too fancy. And then you're going to click their download link, and right here is going to be I believe is the American mirror. Yep. And that's going to ask you to save it. Once it's downloaded, go ahead and click it, run the setup. Next. I already have it installed, so I'm just going to pull it up right on my desktop here. And right now, I have an idle C volume, and my last defrag was 628. So if you're not sure, if you have a ton of files, go ahead and click Analyze. The program is smart enough to tell you whether you need it or not. So go ahead and click Analyze. It'll analyze it for you, and right now you will start to see a bunch of little clutters over here, and these color codes will tell you which cluster is what is what, and then you can automate it as a schedule. So let's say I want, around 8 o'clock when I'm not on my computer, I can go ahead and defrag it on, Fridays or whatever I want. So I would go ahead and click that method to defrag only, or I could do fast optimize, deep optimize. I recommend doing deep optimize once, maybe every 3 or 4 weeks. Then you can enable the schedule and click this. This will bring up the Windows 7 dialog, and make sure you're running it as your user. And then you come over here to click schedule, and I'm gonna go ahead and do monthly, considering I keep up with my PC pretty often. Let's go back to 8 p.m. I can go ahead and click advance, and I can tell it when to start, when to end. But I'm gonna cancel that, and then you can select months, and then you can do multiple ones if you want. So I think that's pretty cool. And then you have your options. You can load it on startup if you want, automatically check for updates, and then you have your auto defrag. So this is a pretty cool program. If a lot of times you notice in games, if you're loading a level and it's like, well, I've loaded this level faster before, it's because these files get knocked into clusters. So all you need to do, defrag your hard drive, and it'll defragment them, make them more accessible at a faster rate, because your hard drive can only push so much data. So, alright, this is T9 Tech, and I'm out. Thanks for watching, guys.